Information contained in the sheet border, such as the scale, drawing number, and sheet number, are examples of sheet-specific information. The values for these are unique for each sheet in the sheet set. As such, the placeholders for these values need to be active elements that reside in each sheet model. In this lesson, you will create a title block cell to be placed in the sheet border seed that will provide the values for the client, project, title, date, scale, sheet number, job number, and drawing number. In this lesson, you will create a cell and modify cell properties. Here in the MicroStation Connect edition, continue in the BSI 300G-0-Border DGN from the course datasets Building 302 Standards Seed folder. With the Element Selection tool active, create a selection set of all the text fields in the title block. Right-click and hold to bring up the right-click contextual menu. From here, select Properties. In the Formatting category of the Properties dialog, set the text color to 0. With the text still selected, you will now define the cell origin. Along the ribbon, from the Cells group of the Annotate tab, select the Define Cell Origin tool. Define the origin by snapping to the lower left corner of the sheet as shown. Open the cell library by clicking the dialog launcher from the Cells group of the Annotate tab. The Cell Library dialog opens. From here, click File, then Attach File. Attach the cell library building.cel from the Building 302 Standards cell folder. From the Cell Library dialog icon bank, click the Create icon. Set the following options. In the Name field, type in A1 Title Block. In the Description field, type in Title Block for A1 border. And for the cell type, this will be a graphic cell. Click the Create button when finished. The selected text in the BSI 300G-0-Border DGN file should still be active. If not, simply bring your cursor into the view and perform a right press and hold. From the contextual menu, choose Select Previous. Delete the selection set by either utilizing the Delete Element tool or by simply hitting the Delete on your keyboard. From the Cell Library dialog, right-click over the name of the newly created cell A1 title block and pick Open for editing. MicroStation will open the model containing the cell information for active editing. From the Home tab in the ribbon, open the Models dialog. Right-click over any category heading, adding Is Annotation Cell to the dialog from the right-click menu. Enable annotation scale for the cell. This step is very important. The reason being, when the sheet is scaled, the annotation scale will be applied to this cell accordingly. In this lesson, you created a cell and modified cell properties.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.